Good morning, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to sign up for the TD Summer Reading Program. I know it started June 15th, and I just thought it'd be helpful to have a little video of how to do it. So you're just going to want to come to the TD Summer Reading Program website. And then when you get here, you're just going to log in. And you're not going to have a web access code unless you've done this previously and you remember it. So instead, you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to click on the link that you're new to the site. And it's going to give you your access code here. So then you're going to click next. And then you're going to be prompted to enter a username for yourself. So let's do library 1 and see if that works. And then you're going to want to select your location as Alberta and then your library, and you just type in Rotary Club. And then it pops up there, Rotary Club of Save Lake Public Library with the Peace Library System. And then click next. Oh, so that nickname has already been taken. So let's go Library 2020. Okay, so that one worked. So you've just created your login for the TD Summer Reading Program. There's so much to do on here. You can click on stuff to do and it will bring you to this home page. There's jokes, comics, trivia, story starters, coloring sheets, silly stories, book recommendations. There's lots here to keep you busy. So if you read a book at home and you want to log it, you will go to your notebook and you will go to additional reads on the bottom left corner right here. And then that's where you can put your books in there and then you can add it to your list. You can also update your avatar, this little guy here, and you have all these guys to choose from. I'm going to choose the unicorn. You can choose a different background. And then we'll set, oh, it must not have saved. Oh no, it doesn't want to save. There it is. So then you just want to select our library, Rotary Club of Save Lake Public Library. And it says you've updated your profile. So if you go under books, you can choose which age you want to read under. I have a son that's 8 years old, so I'm going to click ages 6 to 8. And you have all these books here that you can read on your computer. You can also read at home if you prefer to read books off of your shelf. You can call the library and get us to grab some books off the shelves for you and you can pick them up. So that's how you use this TD Summer Reading Program website. It's pretty easy. Looks like it's going to be lots of fun. And I believe there will be prizes at the end. Happy reading, guys. Enjoy your summer.